Hello, we're just about to leave Constanta, and after a lovely free day, what were our highlights, Craig?
Well, it was a very exciting day yesterday. We all had emergency alerts on our phones. I had 3 of them in total, in fact, saying that a rogue drone, a maritime drone, had been found in the port here, which, although is quite a distance away from our hotel, it wasn't very far from where we'd been the previous night. It turns out in the end it exploded of its own accord after being trapped by anti-pollution nets, and also turned out to be Ukrainian, so a bit of friendly fire. But it was all very exciting and something to remember.
Yeah, speaking of where we were the night before, the Old Town, we had a lovely wander around, saw the casino, saw a couple of Ottoman relics, mosques, etc., and quite a lively square and restaurants and gym.
The entire reason we came to Constanta. I spent an entire day on the beach, lazing in the sun, and it was wonderful.
See you later.